cooking. The water is cooking. Yeehaw! Set it off. Take the bottle out. There you go. Sugar. Sorry, I still have quite a bit of sugar in my tea. I did get some advice from somebody who had a heart condition as well. Yesterday, elderly lady on the bus, she said, get some decaf. It will take your heart down, your heart rate down. So I'm going to finish this and then get some decaf, which is they're always trying to help people, eh? I like that. There you go, there's my cup of tea. It looked like a lens, eh? It's even got the numbers on it. But it's a cup. Yep. The stuff that you gain at the film industry. It's nicely out of the wind because I do have oh, there's water here as well. Yes, there's water here. That's cool. So I can top up my bottle and I top up the other one as well. Yes, so that's good. This is a nice spot. So I'm just going to have 2 of these. This is for the rest of the week. And put them in the cooler. Got plenty of bread. I'm a bread person. I like bread in the morning, or wheat bix. In this case, I'm going for the bread and the tomato. Oh, the salt is still in the car. I'm still going to find the salt. It's a bit. This is a good opportunity for me as well to just sort of sort out my car a bit, because it's after a while. You try to be organized, but it doesn't always happen that way. You try to be organized, but it's yeah, it gets messy very quickly. So today, because I do have some, say the kitchen at the moment is partly down the bottom, partly in the top. I'm just going to reorganize it a little bit. So I got everything in one place, either the top or the bottom. I usually have the breakfast stuff and the lunch stuff down the bottom in a container, and then you know, like if I want to cook, it's up the top. But so there's water here, so I can rinse this. Take 2 of those. I don't like to leave rubbish anywhere, even this. Because this is quite a clean place. Just gonna rinse them. Yeah, so this place has got a fire or a coal barbecue. Use your own fuel, it says here. So I could use that, but there's hidden in the bush. There we are. There's the tap, and it's right next door to the barbecue tables. That's awesome. like that. I think there's a tui aiming for my bread. So I better not leave this table because the bread will be gone. Tui is a native bird. It's a beautiful bird. Unlike that one. Those are just screamers. The tuis are beautiful birds. They sing. They sing beautiful songs. So just some tomato and some on some bread. A little bit of salt on it, although you are not supposed to be in there, you little fly. There's a fly in my soup. A little bit of salt, although I was told to cut down on salt. Everything you eat has salt in it, right? That is a bit of a problem. But I can't do without salt. Sorry, doctor. Not going to be happy with me. But I need some salt. I can't find the pepper. I got pepper somewhere. Can't find it. Never mind. Hey, have a nice breakfast. And we'll catch up with you after this. Cheers.